Back to my channel, Absolute Trade King. Today is July 8th and time is around 9:53 in the morning, and currently my profits are running at 1000 rupees, and I have entered into a strangle with a positive negative bias. So if you look at the chart, this is how it looks. Uh, so if Bank Nifty falls more, there will be higher profits, and if it moves very impulsively in the higher direction, then I'll incur a loss. So this is what a negative strangle with a negative bias means. And the reason why I've entered the strangle with an additional call sell is that this is the additional call that I've sold. So I've sold 4 lots of call and compensated with 3 lots of put sell. So there is an additional call because I am expecting Bank Nifty to be negative today. The reason is that Bank Nifty has been continuously moving. For the past week, it has already moved almost 3,000 points. If you look at this, it has almost moved 3,000 points, and somewhere it has to take a pause. It has to fall back, right? So that is the reason. And also, I am expecting Bank Nifty to not cross 35,300 because there are multiple uh, resistance. It's a strong resistance. If you look at this line, you can see that it is a strong resistance, and I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to cross this line here, this one. And there is a high probability that Bank Nifty can move back to this trend line and then move sideways today. So I'm expecting markets to be sideways or maybe a slightly negative, but definitely not on the positive side. That is my understanding of the markets today, and accordingly, I have entered into a position, and I'll keep you guys posted as to how the trade goes. So time is around 11:45, and a quick update on the positions. The profit is running at 3,200 rupees, and as expected, Bank Nifty is moving sideways and it has not breached even the day's high. And as we had discussed in the morning, I had told that Bank Nifty will not move above 35,300 today. And exactly that's how Bank Nifty is behaving. And there is a high possibility that Bank Nifty might move sideways for some more time and then move downwards to fill the gap. It might move till 35,000 and then move back between the ranges here. Between this range, it can close today, in which case we'll make a very good profit. And the stop loss, I'll keep it just above this high. So this just above this swing. So if Bank Nifty moves above this swing, I'll just exit with whatever minor profits or minor loss that I make. I'll just exit. And if Bank Nifty moves downwards, then I'll hold till the end of the day, because if it expires anywhere between this range, right, between 34,800 and 35,100, we'll be making a very good profit on the positions. I'll keep you guys posted as to how the trade goes. Time is around 12:07 p.m. and a quick update on the Bank Nifty. So you can see Bank Nifty is moving downwards as expected. There was a breakdown of this levels and it is moving downwards, and there is a very good chance that it can move to this levels and reverse from this trend line, which is a confluence of this gap fill. You can see here the gap gets filled, and also there is a strong support. So there is very good probability that Bank Nifty can come here and reverse back from this levels, or there is a chance that Bank Nifty can go further downwards. So if you see, there is a chance that it can go very well towards 34,700, which is the scenario if there is a very huge fall in Bank Nifty. So this is the levels that Bank Nifty can maximum travel towards. So in whichever case, even if it falls almost, you can see this is like almost 500 points from this levels. Even if it falls 500 points, our strangle will not be giving a huge negative loss, so it won't be giving a huge loss. Even if it falls towards 34,700, we'll be still in positive itself. So in fact, if you see, even if it falls till 34,500, we'll not be making a huge loss. So this is the power of having a bias in our strangle. So we had a slight negative bias in our strangle, and that is actually paying off. If even if Bank Nifty is moving downwards in a big way, there we won't be affected much. However, having said that, if Bank Nifty reverses and moves um, above 35,300, I'll just exit with break even, and that is still a fine scenario because 35,300 is almost 300 points, and Bank Nifty is looking negative itself, and the scenario of it reversing from this support line, or it falling towards that 4,750 is of higher probability. So I'll keep you guys posted as to how the trade goes. Time is around 2:20 p.m. and I've exited all my positions with a profit of 6,000 rupees, roughly 1.2%, and the deployed capital was around 5 lakhs. And if you look at Bank Nifty, it has moved as mentioned previously. So I had previously mentioned that Bank Nifty will be very much sideways, and there is a good possibility that it can fall till the uh, support level here, this trend line, and there's a probability that it can either break and fall to this zone, or it can just take a reversal and be sideways itself, and that's what has exactly happened. And as mentioned previously, like Bank Nifty did not go above 35,300. That was what I had mentioned, right? And our view worked perfectly. And since we had taken strangle with a bullish bias, we got additional profit in this leg as well of 1,500 rupees, and it was a easy trade for option sellers since the market was completely sideways. Yeah, so good profit, 1.2% is a very good profit, and especially for Fridays when the theta decays are low, it's a good profit. And also, if you look at the option premiums, they are very less when you compare it to 2 weeks ago, because the VIX is almost 18, that's all, and it has fallen tremendously for the past 3 days. And yeah, that's all I had, guys. Hope this was of some learning and some help for you guys. Please don't forget to like and share the video. And also, if you have any questions or queries regarding my trades, or regarding the entries that I have taken, you can put it in the comment, and I'll try my best to reply to those comments. Thank you so much.